Thank you for joining me and welcome to 3 Nightingale Drive. I'm Kate Broddick of teamkate.ca and real estate sales representative with Sutton Team Realty. Here we are in the desirable West Brant community where this beautiful East Forest home is located on a quiet court close to parks and schools, offering 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a double-car garage, and a tremendous loft living space. This may be the perfect home for you. So please join me on this video tour of 3 Nightingale Drive and let me know what you think. The front entrance is spacious with upgraded tiling that flows from the foyer, hall, and into the open concept kitchen. With sightlines from the kitchen, dinette space, and living room, this makes for the perfect place to entertain your family and guests. The kitchen offers dark cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances, which adds a stylish element to this functional flow. Nestled at the side of the kitchen is a large dinette space next to the patio doors that lead you out to your oversized deck and fully fenced backyard. This is where you'll spend most of the warm summer months relaxing. The living room offers ample space to entertain your family and guests with a rough-in for a gas fireplace. Upstairs, you will find a tremendous loft living space with cathedral ceilings and immense windows. Retreat to your master bedroom with walk-in closet and spa-like ensuite, equipped with a glass shower and custom tile work. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom complete the upper level.